Hey guys, haven't seen you in a while. I've been busy working, got a new job, and returned home back from Germany, back to home, spending time with my family. And what do you know? Itch has come back. I'm considering, well, I'm thinking, should I buy the black Monaco? Always wanted to have a Monaco. Always wanted the blue Monaco because I briefly had black and blue, and the blue is definitely nicer, but the black is a bargain and it looks nice. I did a video with this same Monaco 6 years ago. I know that because I watched the review, and now I'm thinking here, I'm having this on my wrist, and do I need a Monaco? Or more specifically, do I need the black Monaco? Because black Monaco, I don't know, I always felt the blue one is the right one, but now the black is calling my name. I just bought yesterday. I bought a new wheels for my car, and if I didn't do that, um, rookie mistake. Yesterday I saw nice wheels and I bought them for my car. It's for the next season, for the spring, because winter is coming. And I wanted nice new AMG wheels, and I got them. And now I have this Monaco, and now I would not be very comfortable like yesterday I would. Yesterday it would be a no-brainer, and right now I need to come up with some money more to get it. But it's not. It can be done. I can do it. It's not unmanageable. But I just wanted to hear your feedback. Does it make sense to buy a black Monaco when I already have this and a Speedmaster? But I like the Monaco. It's it's the icon, and I would really appreciate your feedback, guys, on this one. I'm talking very soft because I'm at my job.